Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to recommend Netflix videos to others. So let's get started. First, open the Netflix app on your device. Now open any video series or movie that you want to recommend. On the videos details page, you will see a paper airplane icon representing the recommend option. Tap on this icon to proceed. After tapping on the recommend option, a list of sharing options will appear. For this guide, we will use the Messenger app. Tap on Messenger from the list. Now in Messenger, search for the person you want to recommend the Netflix video to. Finally, tap on the send button located right next to their profile. The video recommendation will be sent directly to them. And that's it. This is how you can recommend Netflix videos to others. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.